Finding cube always feel like a long and a tedious task. Ever wondered what is the fastest method to find cube of any number? Answer is digit-wise cube method. To use this, you only need to know algebra property a plus b whole cube. Let's see how this works. To find cube of a number ab, divide the digit of cube into four parts. First a cube, second 3a square b, third 3ab square, fourth b cube. And that's all you need to know. Let's work on some examples to understand it better. To find 12 cube, here a is 1, b is 2. So write it as 1 cube, 3 into 1 square into 2, 3 into 1 into 2 square and 2 cube. You will get 1, 6, 12, 8. If in any of the boxes digit is more than 1, adjust carries from right to left. So write 8 at the end. From 12, write 2 and carry forward 1 to the left side. So 6 plus 1 is 7 and lastly write 1. That gives cube of 12 as 1728. Work with me on two more examples and you will never forget this. Next 23 cube. A is 2, B 3. We'll write it 2 cube, 3 into 2 square into 3, 3 into 2 into 3 square and 3 cube. Digits are 8, 36, 54, 27. Start from right to left. In 27, bring 7 down and carry forward 2 to 54. 54 plus 2, 56. Bring 6 down. 5 is added to 36, that is 41. Write 1 down. And next 4 is added to 8, which is 12. And your answer is 12167. Lastly, 74 cube. This gives 7 cube, 3 into 7 square into 4, 3 into 7 into 4 square and 4 cube. We have 343, 588, 336, 64. From 64, write 4 down and add 6 to 336. It is 342. Bring 2 down and add 34 to 588. We get 622. Bring 2 down and add 62 to 343. That is 405. And final answer for 74 cube is 405224. This method also requires some calculation, but they are far less than any other method.